Central Daylight Time. At 5:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Somerset, Oregon, 12 miles northeast of Devine, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pleasanton, Poteet, Lytle, Somerset, Lemming, Von Army, Espy, Rossville, Selma, and Mangus Corner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio, Station WXK67 in San Antonio, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz, originating from the Austin, San Antonio National Weather Service
Takes a village
office.
to raise a child.
How far it's true.
The current time is 5:29 p.m.
At the state capitol in Oregon, and being what fourth graders do, probably saw some hazelnut somewhere. It's like, hey, this is kind of cool. And I was like, ooh, a pin. Took them. Probably not thinking anything of it.
A hazelnut and a pin?
Yeah, I know. Crazy, right?
6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:27 p.m. Central